LaGuardia Tower, Southwest 147, ILS 4.
Southwest 147, LaGuardia Tower, only 4, clear to land.
4, clear to land, Southwest 147. Tower JetBlue 2813, inbound for ILS 4.
JetBlue 2813, LaGuardia Tower, only 4, clear to land. Traffic reports on position 13, currently showing same speed as traffic, 12 o'clock, 3.5 miles per hour.
Runway 4, clear to land, JetBlue 2813, roger. In Southwest 147, we got to go around.
Southwest 147, maintain 2000, fly runway heading.
Runway heading 2000, Southwest 147.
Southwest 147, when you get a chance, just let me know the reason.
We're too fast, too high with the tailwind, Southwest 147.
Got it, thank you. Southwest 147, climb maintain 3000.
3000, Southwest 147.
Southwest 147, maintain 3000, fly runway heading and contact push 134.9er.
3000, runway heading 30, was that 34.9, 147?
Yep, 134.9er.
See ya. LaGuardia Tower, Southwest 147, ILS 4.
Southwest 147, LaGuardia Tower, only 4, clear to land. Runway 4, touchdown RVR, 6,000, roll out 5,500.
Clear to land 4, Southwest 147.
Roll out to JetBlue 698, check out from Ely, LaGuardia 702, 979.
Tower JetBlue 698 going around.
JetBlue 698, climb maintain 2000, fly runway heading.
2000, runway heading, JetBlue 698.
JetBlue 698, climb maintain 3000.
Maintain 3000, JetBlue 698.
And JetBlue 698, when you get a chance, just give the reason for the miss.
Looks like we got some wind shear, JetBlue 698.
Roger, thank you. Contact approach 134.9.
49.
Southwest 147, let me know where you break out at.
Will do.
American 1263, LaGuardia Tower, 13, line up and wait, traffic lands 4.
American 1263, runway 13, line up and wait.
Go around, so runway heading, climb maintain 2000. Climb maintain 2000, 2000.
Climb maintain 2000, Southwest 147.
Continue climbing, Southwest 147, and when able to say your reason why you were not on the approach.
Pick up 5794, 184 RVR, 3500, contact tower 18.7. We're unable that, we're 4000 is the best we can do. 784, cancel approach clearance, maintain 3000, fly runway heading. I cancel the approach clearance, 3000, runway heading, break air 5784.
Southwest 147, you with me?
Yep, just trying to work things out here, Southwest 147. We're climbing at 2000, heading 060.
Break air 5784, climb maintain 4000, fly runway, or fly heading at 040. 4000, 040, break air 5784.
And of course, the RVR went up to 4,000 as soon as we canceled the approach.
Hate to see it.
Yeah, it's variable between 4 and now it's up to 45 and that's our rollout 4,000. Break air 5784, climb maintain 4,000, expedite the climb.
We're climbing, break air 5784.
Okay, Southwest 147, we're at 2,000 feet, heading 060. I'd like to continue climbing.
Yeah, just climb maintain 2000 and giving contact approach 120.8.
20.8, Southwest 147. And what were the reasons for the two go-arounds?
This guy was not aligned with the runway at all. He was east of his final. He was not going to land the runway.
Center Southwest 147, 2,000 feet, heading 060.
Southwest 147, New York approach, climb and maintain 4,000, stay your intention.
4,000, and guess bring us around one more time, and we'll actually stand by.
Okay, standing by.
And approach Southwest 147, we'd like to go ahead and divert to Philadelphia, to Pittsburgh, our alternate.
Southwest 147, roger, you're clear to Pittsburgh for now via radar vectors. Maintain 5,000.
Clear to Pittsburgh via radar vectors, climb maintain 5,000, Southwest 147.
Southwest 147, turn left heading 330.
Left 330, Southwest 147.